Hello traders, welcome back to the JC Trades YouTube channel where I post my raw and authentic trading journey. Today I want to go over my overall stats for the month of February. So for this first account, this is the account that I ended up taking my payout on, and it is now blown. I blew this account on Monday or Tuesday, I believe. I had about $500 worth of drawdown after I took the payout because I didn't build a buffer. So I had about $500 of drawdown. I ended up making a couple good trades to get that up to about 800, and then after I think 2 losing days, I ended up blowing that account. Actually, I blew it on a winning trade. I was in drawdown within the trade and didn't have enough drawdown within my account to withhold the trade, so ended up losing money on this account, but another account that I was copy trading made money on that trade. So it is what it is. But starting off, I think it's important to look at the total growth curve. This is my first time actually like taking a deep dive into my stats for this account, so I should probably do that more often. But to start out, I obviously started off with 50,000. I've been trading this account since November 19th, so I think having it for this long is a pretty good thing, especially for my first account. So yeah, I think it's a good amount of time to have it. I feel like I should get more payouts within that time, but like I said, my first account, I was focusing on trading it well and making nice and good trades and consistent trades. So started with 50K. Okay, ended up getting $50, whatever. Dipped down big. So from December 9th to December 11th, looks like I had a big loss. This must have been like $1,000 loss, like where it was just bad risk management. Got me down to 49, and then since December 12th, it was a nice slow but upward curve. Some dips here and there, but overall upward curve up until this point at the 51,100 mark, which is where I took my payout, which is where this dip comes in to give me $500 of drawdown. Built that up to actually like $800 drawdown, and then I think 2 bad trading days and that account is gone. So let's look at the overall month of February. Okay, on this account I ended up finishing the month of February up $135. Let's see, let's look at my losses. So small loss is good, small loss is good. This loss, or this win, small win, I believe these were just break evens. A good win here as well as here. This is probably another break even. This is where I took my payout on the 13th. Let's see, small win, another decent win, and then this is a big loss, and this is the drawdown loss where I didn't have enough in my account to withhold the trade, and I ended up with 2 losing days totaling $900 of losses. So I mean, overall, I'm not too upset because my daily loss limit is $500, so this loss is okay. This loss is okay. I think the biggest thing is my winners are not bigger than my losses. If my daily loss limit is $500, I should be making more than that on my winners. I shouldn't, my days are 290, 260, which is good and okay, but I want more $440 days, more days like this. Let's look at the stats. My best trade was $650, worst being $867. See, this should not even be a number. I should never have this number over 500. Average win being 144, like that's not gonna cut it. That's not good. And my average loss is $100 more than that. So overall, it's not good. If we look at my win rate, I have a good win rate, 64%. But my profit, I believe this is the RR, if I'm not mistaken. So if my average RR is a 1, I'm not gonna cut it again. This needs to be a 2. So that's why my losses are not. That's why my wins aren't bigger than my losses. So let's see, what is this? Performance by trade duration. Okay, so when I hold trades between 5 and 10 minutes, I make the most money. Or no, I lose the most money when I hold it between 5 and 10. When they're quick trades, I usually make more money. Okay, nice stat. But yeah, so that's for this account. And then this second account is the account that I started copy trading after I after I blew the first one. So as you can see, I got it November 20th is when I passed it. Just hadn't been trading it up until February 11th or the 13th. So that's when I took my payout and started trading on this account. Off the start, I ended up making 352. Then had a little dip, a big dip actually, from 352 down to 49,846, and then another small win. And this past week just absolutely cooked me, which we will see in a second. This account isn't blown. I still have this account, still trading this account. But if we look here now, the total net P&L for the month is down $855, which is a very bad month for me. Definitely my worst month ever trading. But it was specifically this last week. If you look at this last week, you will see that my losses ended up totaling around $700. So these last 3 days specifically kind of have cooked me for the month. If these days didn't happen, I'd be down maybe 100, but it is what it is. You know, I haven't had 3 losing days I don't think I've ever had that. So definitely something for me to look back on and see maybe were these trades, were they bad trades, were they not the highest quality setups. I'm gonna look back in my journal and see what was the problem for these last 3 days, and specifically the last 2 weeks. To be honest, like, I could have definitely finished out the month stronger, but you know, it is what it is. Nothing we can do about it now, so we'll put it in the past and we will move on. If we look at the stats for this account, these stats are a little better, I guess. The win rate is not terrible, but it's not as good as before. 36% win rate. Profit factor, I mean, what is this, bro? That's bad. My wins were bigger than my losses, but I had more losses than I did wins. So I guess, but yeah, this month was not very good for me, but we will bounce back. I'm not tripping at all. I'm not worried or anything for the rest of the year. It's the beginning of the year. It's the second month of the year. We have 10 more months to go. March will be a bounce back month. I know I haven't had breakdowns on a lot of these trades the last 2 weeks. I apologize for that. Breakdowns will be coming back starting in March. So with that being said, that is the stats for the month of February. I appreciate you guys for watching the video, and I will see you in the next breakdown, hopefully next week. Peace.